Hi, my name is Li Xiu, President of the Women in Tech chapter for the Singapore Computer Society. First of all, congratulations on the launch of SWE at SG. I'm delighted to be a part of this event today and to share my thoughts on how and why, as a community, we have to promote and support more parity and equality in engineering and technology. The relevance of tech and engineering is increasingly multidisciplinary. We see that many businesses are looking to embrace technology as they pivot to capture opportunities in the new digital economy. As a small nation, technology is a key enabler to digital transformation and also a key enabler to our economic growth. At the same time, digitalization and advanced cloud technology like artificial intelligence, machine learning are redefining the field of engineering and I dare say reshaping the way engineers design and develop products and processes. Today, we are here to discuss access for all. Such a simple tenet, yet so powerful and enabling. Why is this so important and impactful? For me personally, I guess it is the mental model of diversity, inclusivity, equality, and empowerment all rolled into one. We are fortunate that in Singapore, diversity, inclusion, and equality are very well supported. And as a country, we recognize and we understand the power of embracing diversity of thought and diversity of talent. And yet, there is more that can be done. So, what are the important elements in an access for all mindset? And I'll put forth to you perhaps three principles. Firstly, is the focus on making science, technology, engineering, and math, or what we call STEM education and skilling, accessible to women. This in itself can increase women's representation in technology related jobs. But this requires a very intentional, sustained effort across academic institutions, industry organizations, and the government. The approach could be a combination of training programs and also developing interest at a young age. Secondly, it is important to influence more women to pursue careers in technology and engineering. That is why encouraging an interest in STEM is a key focus for the WIT chapter in the Singapore Computer Society. The chapter for us seeks to encourage learning and nurturing of more female leaders, to foster an active community for experiential sharing, to promote talent development, and also to build thought leadership in technology. So if you're not part of this chapter and these objectives resonate with you, I encourage you to join us and to promote this cause together. Thirdly, as we think about a access for all mindset, it is also important for us to think about developing and strengthening the quality of women in tech and engineering and shining a light on the contribution of women through initiatives like SES SG 100 Women in Tech celebrates and identifies role models in these fields. Success stories, in my mind, will always inspire other women and girls to join the industry and encourage them to step up and to lead with focus and impact. At the industry and national level, creating platforms like SWE at SG and Women in Tech support groups for nurturing women in tech and raising more women leaders and in technology and engineering can be a force multiplier. The reality, though, is that diversity alone does not deliver the outcomes we need. Building a culture that is welcoming and inclusive is integral to women doing their best work and is essential to what we can achieve as a nation and as a community. So, access for all goes beyond diversity and must involve inclusivity and equality. I hope we will continue our effort towards building access for all together, and I sincerely wish you a great event ahead. Thank you for having me.
Hello, my name is Lu Yuan. I'm 22 this year. I studied aerospace engineering with a second major in business at Nanyang Technological University.
Hi, my name is Matthew Frost. I am a software engineering student at the University of Auckland and I'm 22 years old.
I work at Conigo. We are a software company that uses data analytics to help business owners to meet their objectives. My summation program experience has been great. It is way beyond my expectation. I also appreciate the projects given to me are very impactful. I think this experience is going to help my future work as it gives me exposure to understand how to meet the client's needs.
My role at EcoAI involved predicting and smoothing the movement of annotated walls in echocardiographic chambers. The absolute best part of working for EcoAI has been the real life impact that my work has had. So my company has been demoing the work that I've produced to clients all across the globe.
Another takeaway I had from this program is I get to meet people from different countries. There are local students as well as international students. This helps me to understand cultures from different countries and gives me a global perspective.
Singapore is a beautiful, clean and perfectly organised city with amazing food. Coming from New Zealand, it has been very, very easy for me to adapt to life here. It has also allowed me to move to a foreign country and work, which is something that I've always been very interested in. I would recommend it to anybody that would be interested.
I think it's very important for the leadership to walk the talk, enact bias-free policies that support a diverse employee segment equally. It gives your talent an equal chance of success, and it creates an environment of respect and trust where your employees have the freedom to be creative, to contribute, and to train and work flexibly.
So we have many folks from different backgrounds. So this is really a diverse site where it's a great melting pot, and when we talk about inclusion, bringing these individuals together and bring the best ideas together, I think it's just a great opportunity and a great landscape.
Applied inclusion, it starts with me.
immense learning opportunities and amazing innovation within HP.
The people in HP inspires me the most. HP people are generous in sharing their knowledge and help.
HP practices the growth mindset, and this has enabled me to grow and support my continual development to thrive in the face of challenge and change.
My team and I work on HP's large format printers in the install base.
I'm currently driving advanced manufacturing, adoption of Industry 4.0 technologies in manufacturing to drive efficiencies and quality improvement. Know what you're passionate about, as passion makes learning easier.
Fear not if you're the only person in the room, in the meeting, in your team, or even in the classroom.
To start young. Girls who are interested in STEM should start from a young age by books, magazines, or home projects.
To know the importance of work-life balance and time management so that you'll be able to manage both work and family well.
STEM is so diverse and there is much more to uncover. So my advice will be, go for it.
I'm Linda Somerville, and I'm designing the solution. Micron has tens of thousands of scientists and engineers around the world dedicated to developing the memory, storage, and accelerator technologies that you use every day, from your mobile phone to your automobile to the cloud. We design the circuits, the photomask technology, the process technology, and the package technology, all the way from silicon to systems.
I'm designing the solution. I'm making design for sustainability a critical part of research and development.
Designing a flash memory chip involves hundreds of people and many circuit specialties. There are NAND memory circuits, analog circuits, digital circuits, I/O, and integration puts everything together. To me, circuit design is the middle layer between the abstract and the physical. There's freedom to innovate in many directions, which is why I really enjoy my job.
I'm designing the solution. It's a thrill to see new things come into the world due to the talents of our team members and partners working together.
I'm Erin Hollinger, and I'm designing the solution. Photomask technology is a key enabler for complex semiconductor manufacturing. Advanced mask technology lets us defy the laws of physics and print patterns on wafer that are smaller than we ever imagined possible. Today, more than ever, collaboration between the mask shop, the wafer fab, and the design teams is vital.
I'm designing the solution. My inventions will enrich life for all.
I'm Bambi De La Rosa, and I'm designing the solution. In my role as a healthcare principal investigator, I get the opportunity to see the bleeding edge of AI. AI is one of the most important workloads of our generation, and it's changing the way we think about computing on a fundamental level. Through the lens of an AI workload, we're working on novel, memory-centric approaches to building the tools that will spark future discoveries in science and medicine.
Together with our customers and our partners, we are transforming how the world uses information to enrich life for all, to accelerate exploration, and to shape a more sustainable and equitable world. I'm proud to be able to say that I'm designing the solution, along with my colleagues around the world. Together, we are designing the solution.